Alright guys, it's gonna be day 87 of me coding every single day until I become a software engineer. I'm back home for Thanksgiving this week, so that's why there's a little bit of change in background. Yeah, I got some pretty good news today. I got called back for another interview at that place I interviewed last time, and it's supposed to be a technical interview this time, and they're gonna do it on HackerRank. So I definitely need to do some preparation for that because I am not that comfortable with LeetCode. I've only done like 60 or so problems on LeetCode. Most of them were easies. I probably can solve most easy questions and some medium questions if they're like topics I know about, like stacks and arrays and some basic math stuff, like dynamic programming, queues and trees. That might be kind of hard, so I really need to grind HackerRank and LeetCode over Thanksgiving break. There's the interviews next week, um, so I don't look like a complete idiot when I do the interview. But yeah, today I'm going to do the last of this boot.dev lesson. But yeah, that's just how things are going. Thank you guys for watching. Feel free to join the Discord and things. Let's get into it. So they just taught us about this gob package in Go. It does encoding. That does serialization. Doesn't use JSON. Does it in binary. So it's more efficient. It's a lot faster than encoding to JSON. So I think we're trying to transition this little project to that. And as usual, I am kind of confused. Okay, so they say update the war handler function in the client to publish game logs. Capture the winner and loser return values from the game state's handle war method and use them to create a log function. So yeah, this is the handle war method, and it returns a game logic war outcome, a winner, and a loser string. So here we have these three things. Supposed to check if the outcome is that the opponent won. The message should say winner won a war against loser. The question is, how do we know who the opponent is? Oh, here. Yeah, it's so obvious. Just looking at this a couple of minutes ago, I did not see this at all. There's literally game logic war outcome, opponent won, and based on the, okay. Yeah, it's so obvious now. Yeah, sometimes you just need a break, man. So, opponent won. You need to print a message that just says winner wants to go war against loser. So V won a war against %V. Got the winner, got the loser. Go. Yeah, let's delete this line. Oh, so you guys see me posting more LeetCode or HackerRank over the next couple of days. Now you know why. It's for the interview. I don't know why the past couple times I did LeetCode on this channel, people left comments saying that I should be building a project and not doing LeetCode. I guess it's fair. It's general advice, but I saw it's always kind of interesting. I have a reason why I'm doing LeetCode, but oh, yeah, I can't do this with Ellen. Do with F. I feel me personally, I feel like I learn a lot when I do LeetCode. I know a lot of people don't like it because it is kind of a dumb concept for interviews that you have to use something that you'll probably never use again. But I think I learned a little bit from it. About just data structure and algorithm problem solving. So I don't feel like it's a great waste of time. Just my personal thoughts. But okay, let's actually write code. If the capcom is that the player one, the message should also say the player one. Where's this game logic thing even defined, man? Hey, you one, okay. So that's not something we have yet. Game logic dot u1. And apparently we're supposed to do the same thing again. Damn, that's a long way to go with new. Okay, that's all it says to do. I was a draw. The message should say war between winner and loser result in a draw. Okay. A war between winner and loser resulted in a draw. No period. Okay. Create a reusable function to publish a game log struct. A topic exchange. The game slug username routing key. Username is the name the player initiated war, and game log slug is a constant of routing package. The game log struct should be serialized using the publish gob function. Fill all the fields in. Here's the game log slug. I guess where do I put this? As a reusable function. I don't know. This is probably not the most clean thing. We're just gonna create a new file. We're just gonna call it publish game log. So when you publish a game log struct, it's kind of confusing. So yeah, let's look at this publish gob function again. Taken channel and exchange key and a value. We encode the thing in the gob value. And we publish with context. The body of buffer bytes. So we know publish gob is going to need a channel, it's going to need an exchange, a key, and a value. And the game log struct is definitely going to be in the publish gob thing. And this is like under step 2, so I think that's where it should go. Inside of inside of here probably makes more sense. So we know we're going to publish. Yeah, we're going to do publish gob. And channel exchange. The key we know what the key is going to be. Key is going to be our username is named the player who initiated the war. I guess we need to pass the username in. Might be a string. So we can do routing dot game log. It's not going to autocomplete because the other ones aren't filled in. I guess you can just set it to be empty, right? Unless it's name. Make sure that I'm getting the right thing. Yeah. We need to add a dot and then username. That's the key. The value is going to be the actual struct. So a new game log. Where is game log defined? It's in routing models. Routing. Oh, not val, var. That's why I'm not getting autocomplete. Okay, there's new game log struct. That's what's going to be passed in here after we serialize it. Or no. So what? Yeah, it said fill all the fields in. So so current time, right? Doesn't look right to me. Why? I guess we can define them outside of it. I don't know why it's saying new game log dot current time. I'm not setting the current time. Doesn't make any sense. Trying to set something in the struct. I guess we can do it out here. Like time is equal to time dot now. So the message is probably going to be passed in. I don't know where else the message can come from. Not that. It's equal to message. Then the username we already know. That has to be passed in. So this can just be this. Okay, so the topic exchange, okay. Yeah, I remember now. There's a constant. Yeah. Exchange topic. Dude, am I pressing the wrong key? Thought Control Y was accept, not. Maybe I'm pressing Shift Y. And the channel. Okay, so they say if publishing fails, NAC requeue, otherwise acknowledge. So I think this is still supposed to be in here somehow, though I'm not sure how, because it's already a returning a function. It's already higher order because I return a function in this switch statement. Well, regardless, I think we're still going to have to return a pub sub act type. So if it fails NAC requeue, otherwise you return knowledge so I mean a channel has to be passed in. I don't know how else this is supposed to work. Okay, so looks like I have this reusable function. So I guess we need to call this, this function. I still don't know where to get. Where am I supposed to get the channel from? Pass into here. I have everything else. I have the message. Does this actually return anything? I guess I'm gonna have to sprintf it. Say message is equal to this. Why does it keep doing that? Like when I do control Y, which is supposed to be like the tab in here, it like doesn't replace what I was typing. It's so annoying. Naming the player who initiated the war. That's so annoying. Game logic. I supposed to know who initiated the war? This is recognition of war. Oh. Okay. So this recognition of war person has an attacker. Okay. Gotta use that feature more often to check things like that. What did it even say now? Attacker. What? It says recognition of war has a attribute called attacker. What does the article say? It says it has a loser and a winner. I'm not sure why there are 3 RWs after it. Okay, I've got no idea what's going on here. I'll probably keep looking at this. I don't want this video to go too long. But yeah, I think I'll see you guys in the next one. Might be a LeetCode or HackerRank, but see you guys in the next video.